Good morning, students. Welcome to Microsoft Excel introduction class. Okay, today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. We all know Microsoft Office. It is a bundle package which comprises Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and many other tools which are used for office purpose. An office, we all know what is an office. An office contains administrative works, clerical works, data analysis works, many other works in an office. So Excel is one of them. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft Corporation for the purpose of it can be used on Windows PC and Apple Mac PC or any Android devices. Nowadays we can use on smartphones also. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze numerical data as well as alphabet data also we can use. A spreadsheet, coming to the word spreadsheet, an Excel document is considered as a workbook. An Excel document is considered as a workbook. A workbook contains a spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? A sheet is a collection of columns and rows that form a table. That means the data is organized in a tabular form. Okay, a sheet contains rows and columns. Alphabetical letters are usually assigned to columns and numbers are usually assigned to rows. This is the place where we enter data. Okay, let's go to the features of Excel. Excel has many features, from data entry to many other sheets. Okay, first of all, we can add headers and footers in Excel. Just like in Word we add headers and footers, in Excel also we can add headers and footers. We can find and replace using commands. Okay, Excel sheets can be protected using password. That means we can protect our sheets using passwords. And data filtering, data sorting. Okay, using Excel, we can filter and sort data according to our requirements. We can filter data, such as if you want to select only the students who secured A grade, we can filter them, or we can sort data according to their names, just like alphabetical order names. Okay, next, built-in formula. Excel has a major feature of built-in formula, which can be used in the form of functions. These formulas can be used in functions also. To add, we can simply use the function sum, or to find the average of a student, we can use the function average function. Okay, just like that. Okay, another thing is creating different charts using pivot table chart reports also. Okay, we can create charts, automatically edit the results. We can get the results automatically, and moreover, formulas which are used for auditing also. For a commerce student, we are using this for auditing. Okay, let's go to the Microsoft Excel uses. The use of Excel is, first thing is data entry and storage. The major use of Excel is data entry and storage. Accounting and budgeting is the first concept in our commerce department. Okay, for a commerce student, accounting and budgeting is the major issue to solve. Okay, next, collection and verification of business data. Built interactive charts and graphs, help identify trends by analyzing data, bringing data together into one place, get quick totals. And that means we can, either you can total, you can multiply, you can do it very quickly. Data analysis and interpretation, plenty of formula to work with data. Data organizing and restriction, data filtering, goal seek analysis, flexibility and user friendly, online access, dynamic formula, automation through Excel. These are the major uses of Excel. Okay, Excel is the major tool which is used in the office automation. MS Excel acts as a major tool for office automation. Let's learn in our next class about the office automation. That's all for today in about the introduction of Excel. Okay, students, thank you for the presentation class. Goodbye. Have a nice day.